previously we had baytun, then al-baytu, kalamun, al-kalamu. Now we have najmun, and it will become an-najmu. Got the idea? So now Dr. Abdul Rahim is bringing the sun letter. Brother, see the wisdom. He will always teach us piece by piece. He did not mix everything together. It would have confused us. Having learned up to page number 15, and he only used moon letters. That is his cleverness. And now the sun letter comes. Had he used everything together, we would have got confused, The students will say, sometimes you are using al, sometimes you are lam, sometimes you are not using lam. What's going on here? Now we understand from here onwards that the Arabic alphabet is divided into two parts, sun letters and moon letters. Al-huruful kamariya, al-huruful shamsiya. Fine, brother. Then rajulun. Rajulun. How will you say definite? Ar-rajulu. Though we are not practicing, brother. Okay. Dikun. Make it definite. Ad-diku. Ad-diku. Inshallah. Talibun. At-talibu. Talibun. At-talibu. Okay. Very good, brother. Now comes our simple sentence. Jumla ismiya. Al-jumlatul ismiyatu. What is it, brother? An-najmu ba'idun. Got the idea, brother and sister? Before we did only al-kamaru ba'idun. Now we have an-najmu. So how will you pronounce, brother? An-najmu ba'idun. You did not pronounce lam. Okay. Next one is ar-rajulu waqifun. Before we said al-waladu waqifun or al-mudarrisu waqifun. Those are all moon letters. Now we have sun letter ar-rajulu waqifun. Brother, as-sukkaru. See, as-sukkaru. As-sukkaru hulwun. The sugar is sweet. MashaAllah. At-talibu maridun. At-talibu maridun. The student is sick. What do you find here, brothers and sisters? Mubtada khabar. What is going on? What's going on here? Mubtada khabar. There is a mubtada and there is a khabar. Don't move your sight from mubtada khabar. Keep that ready to figure out, inshallah. Ad-diku jamilun. The rooster is beautiful, fine. Ad-daftaru jadidun. Copybook. Daftar means copybook. Ad-daftaru jadidun. Copybook is new. The copybook is new. At-tajiru ganiyun. Tajir is always gani. At-tajiru ghaniyu. The businessman is rich. Okay. And then ad-dukkanu. See, dukkan you say in Urdu, but it is Arabic, brother. Tajir is also Arabic. Ad-dukkanu. How do you say? Ad-dukkanu. Maftuhun. The store is open. Fine, brother. What is 9? See, Dr. Sahib is very clever. He brought now a moon letter. Al-waladu fakirun. The boy is poor. And then at-tufahu ladhizun. The apple is delicious. So, and then we have at-tabibu tawilun. Wal. See, now we are saying wal. We did not pronounce Hamza. Why you did not pronounce Hamza? You pronounce Hamza in the beginning. At-tabibu you pronounce. And now you are not pronouncing it. Why? Because they are Hamzatul Wasl. If it comes in the beginning of the sentence, you pronounce it. And then if something comes in front of it, you don't pronounce. Do you follow? You know the logic behind it? At-tabibu, you started the sentence. So Hamzatul Wasl, there is no sign, you will pronounce. Then we will say wal mudarrisu. Wal mudarrisu, you did not pronounce Hamza. Okay, because it's Hamzatul Wasl. Qasirun. Got the idea, brothers and sisters? Ikra waqtu. Ma dabti awakhir al kalimat. Now put the vowel signs properly at the end, brothers and sisters. But you have to, yes, but rather put vowel signs everywhere, just for the practice of it. Ready, brothers and sisters? What is the first word? Al-Babu. Is it moon letter or sun letter? Moon letter. You did pronounce Lam. Al-Babu. Huh? What is the next one, brother? At-Tajiru. You did not pronounce Lam. Why you did not pronounce? Because it is sun letter. Got the idea, brother? Inshallah. Next one, brother. An-Najmu. You did not pronounce Lam because Noon is a Shamsi, sun letter. Next one, brothers and sisters. Yes, sister Momin. Hamzatul Qati. You know, Hamzatul Qati, I will explain you later on, inshallah, in detail when it comes. But it is very simple. You will always see something like this. Are you with me, brother and sisters? Huh? What is this? Akala. Huh? This is a verb. We will be learning soon. Okay, what is this, brothers and sisters? Kara. He read. And what is this? Sa, a, la. See, I'm writing Hamza. Hamza is getting a kursi, chair, plus it is getting the neck of the ain. So that is, Sister Maimuna, Hamzatul Qati. It will always be pronounced, no matter where it comes in the sentence. But if it is Hamzatul Wasl, only in the beginning. And when it comes, I will be pointing out to you, inshallah. Huh? So, brothers and sisters, okay. Hamzatul. Okay. Hamzatul Wasl means Hamza of assimilation because it gets assimilated with the next word. Okay. Fine, brothers and sisters. Where are we now? After Al-Kamaru, what is the next one, brothers and sisters? What is the next word? How will you pronounce it? Ad-Diku. Why you did not pronounce Lam? Because it is sun letter. Ad-Diku. Next one, brothers and sisters. Al-Ma'u. Okay. As-Sariru. Okay. Now we come to Al-Baytu. We said Al-Ma'u, As-Sariru, brother. How will you say? As-Sariru. Huh? Fine. Next one. Al-Baytu. Next one. Al-Masjidu. Next one. Ar-Rajulu. Ar-Rajulu. Okay. MashaAllah. And next one, brother. As-Sukkaru. Put a shadda on kaf also. And do the justice of shadda. As-Sukkaru. Two shadda. Shadda on seen and shadda on kaf. How will you write down, brothers and sisters? As-Sukkaru. How will you write down? Make sure you put a shadda and kaf, otherwise you will not be pronouncing properly. Fine, brother and sister. Next one, Al-Waraku. Fine. Now we have to again, exercise number 2. Brother, we did exercise number 1. What is written on top of it? Tamareen. What is it written? Tamareen. This is the plural of tamreen. This is the plural of tamreen. What is the plural of tamreen? Tamareen. Tamareenu. There is no tanween at the end. Tamareenu. Tamareenu. And we will learn why it is like that later on, inshallah. What's given here? Tell me, brothers and sisters. Khabar is given here. So you got to bring in Mubtada. And you have to make it into a definite noun. So, brother, Ghaniyun, somebody is very rich. At-tajiru ghaniyun. Okay. At-tajiru ghaniyun. Okay, brothers and sisters. And what is next one, brother? Hulvun. As-sukkaru hulvun. As-sukkaru hulvun. Next one, brother. Somebody is sick. Whom do you want to make sick? Al-waladu. Al-waladu maridun. Okay, fine, brother. Lazizun. At-tuffa'u. Lazizun. Or you can say, al-mawzu. Banana is delicious. Al-manjo. Mango is delicious. Okay. Tawilun. Somebody is tall. Ar-rajulu tawilun. And somebody is very short. Al-waladu qasirun. The boy is short. Al-waladu qasirun. Got the idea, brothers and sisters? You got to write it. Writing will make you perfect. It will give you better understanding of the rules that we are learning if you will write the exercise. Inshallah. Ikhtar. Choose. Choose the word from the first table and choose the second word which is suitable from the second table, further, and ba, and make a sentence. This is a nice exercise. At-talibu, ad-dukkanu, at-tuffa'u, al-ma'u, al-hajaru, al-kalamu. And we have here Ladidun, Maksurun, Thakilun, Maftuhun, Maridun, Harun. So what is the first column? MashaAllah, Talibu. So first column is all Mubtadas. What are they? All Mubtadas. And the second column is all Khabar. At-talibu maridun. Okay, brother? Ad-dukkanu maftuhun, mashallah. At-tuffahu lazizun. Al-ma'u harun. Al-hajaru thakilun. Al-kalamu maksur. Okay, brother? Al-kalimatul jadid. New words. Okay? Are you with me, brother Abdul Qadir? Inshallah. What is the first word, brother? Hulvun. Sweet. Sweet. Maridun. Sick. Dukkanu. Ad-dukkanu. Shop. Ghaniyun. Rich. Tawilun. Tall. Fakirun. Poor. Kathirun. Short. At-tuffahu. Okay. See, there is no shadda anta. Dhamma is given. But now your mind knows that that is a sun letter. So you will pronounce as at-tuffahu. You will put a shadda anta. At-tuffahu.
When you write, do we have to put the shadda?
For the beginning, you do it, it's better, Brother Hassan, inshallah. One day, if you will continue your studies, you will be writing sentences or a small passages without even putting vowel signs, because it's all in your head. Now, we come to Tamreen, last Tamreen, page number 20. You read the following letters and write them with the rules of pronunciation of the letters of sun letters and moon letters. Okay? This I would like you to put proper vowel signs everywhere, brother. Not at al. Al is understood. You know al. What is the first one, brother? Everybody. Al-baytu. MashaAllah. What is the next one? Addiku. So then you will put shadda on dal. You will put a shadda on dal. Next one, brothers and sisters. Al-mudarrisu. Al-mudarrisu. Next one, brothers and sisters. Al-babu. Next one. At-talibu. Yes. Next one, brother. Proper pronunciation. As-sukkaru. As-sukkaru. Next one. Ad-daftaru. Ad-daftaru. Next one, brother. Al-akhu. The brother. Next one. Ar-rasulu. The messenger. Next one. Al-wajhu. The face. Next one. As-sadiqu. As-sadiqu. The friend. Next one. Al-Qur'anu. Next one. As-salatu. Okay? As-salatu. And then Al-Kaabatu. The Kaaba. Next one. How will you pronounce? Ar-Ra'asu. Not Al. Ar-Ra'asu. The head. Ar-Ra'asu. Okay. Next one, brothers. Al-Isba'u. Finger. Al-Isba'u. Finger. What is the next one, brother? As-sabunu. Don't think you are reading Urdu. This is Arabic. As-sabunu. Soap. Okay, brothers and sisters. Next one. Az-zufaru. Fingernail. Fingernails. Okay. And then, brother and sister, next one. Al-fajr. Morning. Az-zuhru. Afternoon. Al-asru. And then Al-maghribu and Al-isha'u. Got the idea, brothers and sisters? Inshallah.
Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, to like the video, and to turn on notifications.
أو زد عليه ورتل القرآن ترتيلا إنا سنلقي عليك قولا ثقيلا